Hi everyone, today we're going to explore how the moon and sun affect the Earth's tide. So let's get to it.
First, let's talk about the moon. The moon is much closer to Earth, so its gravitational pull has a strong effect on our planet's water. It pulls the water towards it, creating a bulge. This is what we call a high tide.
Interestingly, there's also a high tide on the opposite side of Earth because the moon's gravity stretches the planets. Between these high tides, you get low tides, where the water levels drop. Now, imagine the moon is pulling on Earth using one rope. That's how we think about the strength of its pull.
Next, let's bring in the sun. Even though the sun's gravity is 2 times stronger than the moon's overall, it pulls with the strength of divided to 4 ropes. It's so far away that its effect on tides is weaker. So, while the moon pulls with one rope, the sun tidal effect is only half as strong, even though it's pulling harder overall.
When the moon, earth and sun are aligned during a full moon or new moon, the moon and sun work together. Their gravitational pulls combine, creating a spring tides, where the high tides are higher and the low tides are lower. In terms of our ropes, the moon pulls with one rope. But when the moon, earth and sun form a right angle, we get a neap tides. In this case, so the sun's pull partially cancel out the moon's pull. The high tides become lower and the low tides become higher. During the neap tides, the moon's pull with one rope is reduced by the sun's pull with half a rope, balancing the effect. That's all from us. Thank you.